Good morning. We now begin with the part 2 of chapter 2 EVS of Standard 4 year to year. In the previous part, we had learnt about the different types of the ears that different animals have, and also about the different skin and animals who have hair on their body. So now we continue with this lesson. Can you tell which of the animals mentioned in the list lay eggs? Find out and write the names of these animals in the green box. Which of the animals in the list give birth to babies? Write their names in the red box. So, in the first part, in the last exercise, the exercise where we did about the ears can be seen and they have hair on their body, and where the ears cannot be seen and have feathers on their body, that same group of animals, now you have to see which animals they lay eggs and which animals give birth to their babies. So the animals that lay eggs, we have to write them in the green box, and the animals that give birth to their babies, we need to write it in the red box. So I think so this exercise y'all can do it and try for yourself. Mostly birds lay eggs, so it is very easy to fill in these tables. So the animals like fox, cow, elephant, cat, cow, buffalo, camel and pig, we know they have ears, so we wrote them in the red box. So from this we learn that those animals whose ears can be seen and have hair on their body give birth to young ones. And in the green box we have written hen, crow, sparrow, peacock, pigeon, duck. So these animals are the animals whose ears cannot be seen and they have feathers on their body. They don't have hair on their body. So what do we learn from this? That those animals whose ears cannot be seen and do not have hair on their body, they lay eggs. So children, here there is one puzzle for you to do. So as you can see in this block, there is one picture and numbers are written in it with yellow. So you need to see properly, and the numbers ending with 2, 4, 6 and 8, you need to color it with your pencils. And you will find a picture of an animal. So when you color them, what picture did you find? It was a picture of a dinosaur. Many years ago, there were dinosaurs on Earth, but not anymore. Now we see them in films, photos, and books. So, these are the animals which have become extinct. We have, even I have not seen this animal, because these animals have been over from the earth. They are no more. So only we see them in pictures. So now we will see a picture of a herbivorous and a carnivorous dinosaur. So children, you can see this picture. This is a picture of a dinosaur. There were also different types of dinosaurs. So this was an herbivorous. Herbivorous means these were only plant-eating dinosaurs. They used to eat only plants. As you can see, they have a very long neck, like how giraffes have. And these animals are no more on the earth. They have become extinct. And we have just seen them in these pictures. This also is a picture of a dinosaur. This is a carnivorous dinosaur. How do we know that it is carnivorous? But obviously, if you see its teeth, nice and pointed, they used to hunt other animals. They used to hunt even the babies of the herbivorous dinosaurs. And so these animals, as we just said, are no more found on earth. We just see their pictures and in movies, and we know that these were the different types of dinosaurs which were very huge in size. Look at this animal. Write its name. Do you know that this is a national animal? Where does it live? The number of this animal is going down in India. So, can you recognize this animal? Which animal is it? Correct. This is the tiger. The tiger is the national animal of India. Yes, the tiger. The tiger is an animal of pride. It's a beautiful and a wonderful animal. So we call it as a national animal. But this tiger, they are getting lesser and lesser day by day in India. Why? Because people are hunting them for their skin. So, what have we to do as Indians? We need to save these tigers because they are a national animal, and if we don't do them, they too will become extinct like the dinosaurs. A Project Tiger conservation program was launched in April 1973 by the Government of India to save tigers as they were being hunted for their skin. So I had just mentioned we have to save our tigers. So it as being an Indian, we all should try to protect our national animal, tigers. So dear students, we now complete our second lesson, and the question answers of this lesson will be sent to you after this video will be sent in a PDF. So I request you to open that PDF file and do all the needful of the question answers in your EVS notebook in neat and beautiful handwriting. So thank you, students.